Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here let's find the battery. Now let's scroll down a little, and here we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap on it. Now we have only the battery icon, so the battery percentage is not shown, but we can set either next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, inside the battery icon, and as you can see from now on, inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Now let me pick, for example, next to the battery icon, and as you can see it is also visible but right next to the battery icon. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in status bar in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.